Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my tiny Tennessee garden. Our typical Tennessee summers have arrived. We are predicted to be at 107 degrees today, and it doesn't look like there's any rain happening for the next week at least. Because it's been so ridiculously hot outside, I've been working on some of my indoor projects, and one of them is macrame. So I found this begonia plant at Trader Joe's early in the spring. It's some kind of Rex variety. It was new to me, but I had to grab it because I thought it was so beautiful. I had bought two plants and planted them together in this pot because I thought it would look great when they bloomed and got big. Well, I've been struggling with it. It has not flourished. I've had it outside and it's not doing well. And I've had it inside and it wasn't doing well. And here I am dividing it, putting it back into the original size pots that it came in. Those are not the exact pots. This pot that they were planted in is also the same pot that I had the hyacinth bulbs planted in. I have 8 hyacinth bulbs in total, and I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with them for next fall. I have these great ideas for them, and here I am back to square one, and it's August, and I have bulbs sitting out. These bulbs will not go out in my garden. I have a lot of squirrels out here, and the last thing I'm going to do is waste these beautiful flowers on squirrel dinner. I'm trimming away all the weak stems right now. As you can see, there is a lot of new growth coming in on the bottom, and that's on each plant. I'm really happy to see that because it's very encouraging. So all of the weak stems mean nothing when I see the new growth, because that's telling me that the roots are still strong. So I'll give you updates on how these guys do. They're going to turn into houseplants now, though. I put them here on the porch for the night because they're used to being in the heat and outdoors. I gave them a good soak. The heat will help that kind of absorb and hopefully evaporate a little bit, so when I bring them in tomorrow morning when it's cooler, they're not drenched. Anyway, we'll see how they do, guys. This is a handmade hand broom I picked up at the Crossroads Village in Flint, Michigan, many, many years ago when my kids were young. This is the first time I've actually used it. This broom is also handmade. I picked both this broom and the hand broom up when we took the kids to that Crossroads Village. Like I said, that was sometime in the 2000s. It was so long ago. Such a cute little vintage like town, village. Like if you've been to Greenfield Village, it's like a little mini version of that. It's adorable. But anyway, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day.